Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll show you how to insert text boxes, buttons, shapes, and images to your Power BI reports. Once you have your report opened in the application, we'll click on Insert at the top. We can see that we can insert a text box, button, shape, or image. We'll start by clicking on text box. Afterwards, we can adjust the font size and font over here. Clicking in the text box, we can begin typing anything we want in it. We can also bold, italic, underline, position the text left, middle, or right, and even change the color. Moving forward, we will click on buttons to see a list of buttons we can insert. We'll start with the left arrow and reposition the button by dragging it. We can enlarge any inserted item by dragging the corners of the item. We can do the same for other buttons as well. Next, we'll click on shapes to see a list of shapes we can insert. We'll click on the rectangle and make it smaller by dragging the corners closer together. We can do the same for all other shapes, and we can reposition them any way we want in our report. Finally, we'll click on Image to upload an image into the report. We'll go to where our image is located on our device, select it, and then click on Open. We can then reposition, shrink, or enlarge the image if we want in our report.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.